Sunday night. For reservations, call 905-847-1566. Hotel. As you get off the QEW, Bronte Road, otherwise known as Highway 25 in Oakville. It's just north of beautiful Bronte. And I'm Scott Mills, a volunteer from the Bronte BIA. We're promoting this area. Ron Manfield, a man, a concert, and his music.